Next, you're going to work on the footer area. So this is what we have. We have an image and a text. So let's come to the footer area, go to background, and then you're going to add an image. So we are going to select this image. Let's check that it's placed how we want it. It looks beautiful, so we are going to leave it at that. Then next, you're going to add the text module. Just copy that. On this module, we're going to paste the text. Here it is. So let's make it white. Center it, make it bold, center it, and then you're going to make it bigger. To make the font size bigger. There we go. We're going to design it on spacing. We're going to increase the top margin so that it's a bit lower. Let's make it 100. Yeah, this is good. Let's edit the paragraph height. Here it is. Yeah, this looks nice. Then you're going to add this text module down here. Add module. Select text. Here it is. Let's say it's white. So let's make it white. We're going to place it at the center. Let's increase the size a little bit. Let's make it a bold so it's visible. Then now let's go and add the button. We're going to add module. What we are adding is a button. Select on button. Then this one is written request. Let's save here. We have 2 of those. Let's delete one so we can work with one. Yeah. Edit the text area. Write request. If you want to link it, this is where you're going to add your link, but in this case, you're not going to link it. Then you're going to go to design to edit it further. You're going to place it at the center. I'm going to increase the size just a little bit. Change the color to this very colorful color, yellow. Then you're going to edit the border radius to shape it a little bit. And there we have it. So the text, you're going to place it at the center. And just like that, your site is complete. So the next part I'm going to show you is to add this anchor set areas. So let's start on that. Save. We're going to go to destinations. And then you're going to add an anchor. Here it is. On this row, select the row. Then on settings, you're going to select row anchor. You're going to enable row anchor. Then anchor label, it's called destinations. We don't want to hide it from navigation, and you want it to be on the same level in the navigation. Then you're going to save. Then the next one we're going to add is testimonials. We'll go to the testimonial row here. Go to row, go to settings, select row anchor. Enable row anchor. Then the anchor label is testimonials. We don't want to hide it. You're going to select that. And save. The next thing we want to do is to preview how our website looks like so that we can edit any sections that we are not content with. As you can see, the anchors have been placed. This is how our website looks on a desktop. And this is how it looks on a tab. Then this is how it looks on a phone. So as you can see, the website we've created is responsive. The next thing we are going to do is edit the spacing. For example, in this case here, the area, the testimonials, there's a bit too much of empty space here. So what you're going to do is go to row, go to settings, go to design, then go to spacing. And then you're going to go to padding, reduce the upper padding. We're going to save it. Go to destinations as well. Go to design, go to spacing. We're going to reduce the upper padding. Yeah, that's enough. Because you also don't want it to look too crowded. This is okay. Let's just reduce this one as well. Go to design, go to spacing. We're going to reduce the upper padding here. Yeah, this looks beautiful. And the lower padding as well. Yes. This looks nice. Let's edit this module. We make destinations a bit, we make it bold. Yeah, let's make it bold so it stands out. Yeah, this looks nice. This is our demo site. I'm just confirming whether this text is supposed to be bold. So let's just come back and make them bold. Make bold, come to the next one. Sorry, no, we don't want to delete it. Make it bold. Come to the next one. You're going to make it bold. Let's reduce this text size. The font size. Eighteen is okay. Then let's edit the spacing here. It's also a bit too big. We go to row. Let's see the padding this one has. Design, spacing. Yeah, we've reduced it successfully. Then you're going to go to the design of the row with the images. Click on spacing. Then the upper padding, we're just going to reduce it. Yeah, this looks beautiful. Let's save it. And then as you can see here, this section has a background image. So you're just going to come here, select on row, go to background. And you're going to add the image. Not color, sorry, image. Here it is. We're going to add it. Going to center it. There we go. So I had edited, because you see this text has a background. So we are going to place background text on each. On this module, on design, we're going to go to spacing and reduce the margin size so that this is what we have. Yes. Let's work on the second one. Module, design, spacing. We're going to reduce the border size. Currently it's at 40. We're going to reduce it. And then you're going to come back to the text. And then you're going to add a background to the text. In this case, it's a color. So we are going to make it white. Select it. Next, you're going to come to this third one. This module. On design spacing, we're going to reduce the margin. Then you're going to give the text a background color. Background. We're going to make it white. This is coming together so beautifully. Design spacing. You're going to reduce the size of the border. Then we are going to add the background color. We're going to do the same to the image of Nairobi National Park. Save it. Then you're going to add background color to the text. Here we go. Then finally, the last image. Select it. Then here we're going to add a background color. On design, we go to background. Then you're going to add a color. Then you're going to save. On this testimonials area, there's also a bit of space that we can do away with. So we'll come here to row. Then you're going to go to design, spacing. There what we need is to remove the bottom one. As you can see, it's 0, so that's okay. Then that means this is where we need to reduce the padding, this upper padding. So let's just move it so we see what we are working with. Yeah, we can have it at 0. Then the bottom padding, so that the footer is not so isolated. Let's edit the bottom padding as well. You're going to go to design, spacing. Yeah, we've reduced it. Just make it 0. There we have it. So let's preview it for the last time and then we publish. The footer also looks a bit big. We're going to go to design, spacing, so that we reduce it. Let's make it 200. Even 20 is okay. So this is what we have at the footer. So beautiful. Then let's preview it. Do this to make sure that your website is responsive. As you can see, yeah, let's see how it looks on a tablet. And then let's preview it on a phone. This goes to show that it's responsive and all your users are able to use your website well. So next, you're just going to go ahead and publish our website. Yes, we want to publish. It says the website has been published and I can view it here. So this is what we have now. And in those few steps, you have created this website. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and I hope you're going to share with us what you have created. Thank you and have a great time.